explain about my opinion with the topic of smoking in the campus area. Smoking is something that has become a habit for people around. Parents, young people, even women have become addicted to smoking. With that habit, they don't care about the place where they should be prohibited from smoking. So this time, I will discuss several activities of students who violate the rules of smoking. There are lots of pros and cons of free rokok campus regulation. After all, smoking is very dangerous for yourself and the environment. Smoking also has several negative impacts, namely, first, increase the risk of lung cancer. 2. Disturbances in the respiratory system. 3. Cigarette smoking can also damage teeth and also cause bad breath. The last can increase the risk of developing an anxiety. Actually, there are still many other impacts, and this is just a few examples of the risks that will occur if smoking. With the campus policy on cigarette-free campus, it reduces several students so that they don't do smoking in the activities in the campus area. But I think this rule is still allowed about by other students who want to freely follow it anywhere. To reach student smoking in the campus area effectively without conflict, namely, first, apply a smokeless area. 2. Profit smoking area. 3. Educate and socialize, plus a humanist reply mine. So, it's my opinion on smoking in the campus area. If there are any mistakes, please forgive me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Zilan Syaira Putri, name 63240339. So, I will explain the material about adverb of frequency. What is an adverb of frequency? Adverb of frequency are adverb of time that answer the question how frequently or how often. They tell us how often something happens. There are two types of adverb of frequency. Adverb of definitive frequency and adverb of indefinitive frequency. What is adverb of definitive frequency? An adverb of definitive frequency is a word that describes how often something happens in a specific amount of time. Adverbs of definitive frequency typically go in and position. For example, the manager checks the toilets every hour. My family goes on vacation annually. Sometimes, some adverb of definitive frequency may go at the front. For example, every day, more than 5,000 people die on our roads. Once a week, she attends a yoga class. Then, what is adverb of indefinitive frequency? An adverb of indefinitive frequency is a word that indicates how often something happens, but does not specify an exact amount of time. Example of adverb of definitive frequency: always, never, often, rarely, and sometimes. Adverb of indefinitive frequency mainly go in middle position in the sentence. They go before the main verb, except the main verb to be. For example, we usually go shopping on Saturday. Types of adverb of frequency. Always, so activities that occur 100% of the time or all the time. 2. Often, describes activities that occur with high frequency around 70 until 80 of the time. Sometimes, describe activities that occur occasionally about 30 until 50% of the time. Rarely indicates an activity that occurs very rarely, less than 10% of the time. Occasionally, sometimes, often, frequently, and usually can also go at the beginning or end of a sentence. For example, sometimes they come and stay with us. Rarely and seldom can also go at the end of a sentence. Often with very. Example, we see them rarely. Next, use in negative sentence. Adverb of frequency in negative sentence is used to show how often an action is not carried out. Example, she does not always finish her homework on time. Use in interrogative sentence. Sentence that use adverb of frequency such as often, how many times, how often, to ask about the frequency of an activity. Example, do you often eat fruit? The difference between always and forever. Always indicates high frequently, while forever indicates an indefinite period of time. Example, I always eat breakfast, while I will love you forever. Always valid for a certain period of time. Forever shows an unlimited time period does not show frequency. Use of adverb of frequency in spoken and written language. Spoken language, the use of adverb of frequency is more informal and is often used in everyday conversation. Written language, the use of adverb of frequency is more formal and is often used in writer texts such as essay, reports, and articles. Common mistake in using adverb of frequency. One common mistake is to place adverb of frequency at the end of a sentence. Wrong placement. Example, I go to school every day always. Wrong word choice. Example, I often eat breakfast, but I always have breakfast. Techniques to improve the accuracy of using adverb of frequency. First, pay attention to context. 2. Choose the right words. 3. Practice use. Using adverb of frequency in context. Activity, brushing teeth. Frequency, always. Example, I always brush my teeth twice a day. Next, activity, read a book. Frequency, often. He often reads books before going to bed. Activity, go to the cinema. Frequency, sometimes. Example, they sometimes go to the cinema on weekends. Then, example conversation in the school canteen. Sinta and Tommy. Hi Tommy, you always eat at the canteen, right? Not really. I sometimes bring my own food. Oh, I often bring lunch from home. Cool, do you like cooking? Wow, that's great. I rarely cook for myself. It's okay. We can study together sometime. Example conversation exercise habit. Jamal and Markona. Hey Markona, do you often go to the gym? Yes, I always exercise 3 times a week. You? Wow, I rarely exercise. Maybe once a month. Let's exercise together. You can start with twice a week. So, what do we get when we study adverb of frequency? Benefit of learning adverb of frequency. First, convey the frequency of an event or action. 2. Profit time and sentence context. 3. Can communicate ideas and talk effectively. And thank you. If there are any wrong words, I'm sorry. Bye.